Trade Signals identifies trading opportunities and suggests appropriate stop and limit levels when you enter into those trades. To find trade signals in the SaxoTrader Go platform, simply navigate to the Trade Signals section of the Research Hub. At Saxo, our signals are powered by AutoChartist, which uses market scanning algorithms to identify trade opportunities based on technical analysis. To filter the signals, select from the options on the left. You can choose to show instruments based on current positions in your accounts or on instruments which are saved in your watch lists. You can further filter by asset class and by pattern types. At the core of the service, there are three types of patterns. Chart patterns. These are technical shapes, such as triangles or wedges, within which the price is moving. A breakout occurs when the price has broken out of the pattern and its momentum is expected to take it further. You can also check for emerging patterns which have not yet broken out. Emerging patterns allow for a proactive trading approach, as they are signaled before price action pierces either the support or resistance lines of the formation. Key levels. These are simpler signals where the price is approaching or has broken through a single identified support or resistance line. Fibonacci patterns. The more complex of the three, for the advanced user, we recommend you watch the videos in our education section to fully understand the concepts behind this pattern type. Additionally, you can filter by probability, meaning signals that have had probabilities of success as high as these over the past 6 months. Finally, you can select the time frame of the pattern. Shorter intervals create intraday trade opportunities, whereas the longer intervals create trades which may span several days. Moving to the right-hand window, you'll see the signals which match your selection criteria. The signal's direction is highlighted with a green arrow for price appreciation, while a red arrow represents a decrease in instrument value. To see more information, click on the signal you are interested in, and you'll see a chart with the pattern or support/resistance levels. For breakouts, an arrow shows the direction and expected target range. Under the chart, you will find a brief explanation of the signal. The age of the pattern indicates the number of intervals which have passed since the pattern was identified. Quality measures the visual appeal of the pattern. A high-quality pattern will appear naturally more attractive, well-proportioned and symmetrical. Probability evaluates the trade against previous similar setups over the past 6 months. The higher the probability, the higher the success of those previous instances. Finally, when you are ready to place a trade, enter the quantity of the trade, check these boxes to set take profit and stop loss levels. Then finally press Place Order. You'll be presented with a confirmation page with all the details. If happy, press Confirm, and on the right, you'll see your order has been placed. Information on performance statistics of signals can be found via this link.